Hello, this is Vivan. You're watching Crypto Cult. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the Cassava airdrop. So on Cassava, you could make 80 CB tokens every day. You could use these tokens to buy NFTs and sell NFTs on the marketplace. So now I'm gonna show you step-by-step process. First things first, come on the Cassava website. The website link is in the description. You need to sign up. It's a very simple sign up through your email ID. I've already made an account, so I'll just log in. Once I click on login, I need to enter my ID and password. Once you've logged in, you can see a calendar icon here. You just need to click on that every day. Whenever you click on that every day, you get 80 CB tokens. So now if I click, it will show you I've already checked in today. Now if you come to wallet, you can see that I've already have 80 CB coins. Every day I can get 80 coins. What will you do of these coins? You can buy NFT, sell NFT, and in April you could also convert these 80 tokens into USDT. To improve your chances, what you could do is you could click on profile. Once you click here, you can see that you could connect your wallet, that is MetaMask. All you have to do is sign a transaction. You don't have to pay anything. Once you do that, you could also verify your socials like Discord and Twitter. This might be a criteria because a lot of bot accounts keep on farming airdrops. So make sure you're connecting your wallet and verifying your socials. It's very difficult to keep you guys up to date with all the updates that are happening. So please make sure you're joining in the Telegram channel. Until then, this is Vivan signing off. Please make sure that you're subscribing to Crypto Cult as well.